Yes, mama yembo Emmanuel Korte abaso papa because the rise no say kosu say it is likely say Kotoko ebenya the new Aziz Ansah in this particular player or that screen is Kotoko na e come nhia bae no Kotoko performance no epeja kakra ye ene defeat e bae free ma we ka say ha but still Emmanuel Korte e form no gina so a obobo pa initially obae na empeke man but in the last Kotoko game Summer Test Lagos City's Mediama goals are Kotoko Shebiano. This guy is involved and then Kotoko against Brekum Chelsea no hair ball now. Ono NSIA crossing no in the modern football senior citizens them follow football time Liverpool bet J Premier League for the first time in so many years with club no more flanks no 2 and 3 in year Juma Alexander Arnold no any nuanom in the modern football so 2 and 3 year Juma and my ball no ultimate grind results so they make no sadly be war player a friend no Emmanuel Korte na afena Kotoko e discover ni ya baby na obi e ka say Emmanuel Korte ya Korte no so mebotu ya mane mbo oguma so e dey say ogum de ne boa ti say e fama no na seniors boys no mo Kotoko no ye say ebi mo ye substandard but ebi mo nso ye show mu nkran a o metima boy we onim bobo to be wrong honest me nimu no me nhia ne baby but oba Kotoko wonsu atrema na me follow no oba Kotoko ma hwe ne ball no o ye great player o betima be the new Aziz Ansah Honorable Aziz Ansah senior one gaza abobo wa Kotoko this is America yen developing yen encourage boys no me hu ni say the Emmanuel Korte bono so onya correct development a obetima be big hit big number 2 e Ghana football wa Ghana Blaster you 2 ade bi e kofa leadu ho ahwan mo bebo no ye de Emmanuel Korte beko ye encourage no na ebe fa more